You want to sell? You don't want to sell anything?
Like one.
You have good cards. Are you selling these?
Yeah, you want them? I have this too, but I can't really.
That's expensive. This I like. What are these worth? You're fair. What are you gonna sell to me at?
90.
Pass on this. I could take these. Gold Star, Suicune, Entei, and Raikou in 10s, Blastoise in a 9, Munch, Pikachu, and a shiny Charizard. What is this worth right now? 700, 800?
700.
What do you want to sell stuff at? Depends on the card?
Subjective on the card, yeah. We want to value it at 7 we can, and then we'll subtract after.
Okay, you're going to help me on the percent then.
That one's like 430.
420 maybe? But okay. And what do you value these at?
Sure, 420. Suicune I think is 1350.
Did you buy these or did you grade them?
Huh?
Did you buy these or did you grade them?
I took them in a trade.
I wonder what...
1350, 1250, 1100.
Would these be good for Milky bags?
It's a good top chase. They're like a little more expensive, but like they're pretty good top chase.
What do you value it at? 1350? This at what?
1250.
And this one? 11?
11.
Does this have the highest pop or what?
I don't know.
They're almost sequential, kind of. Okay, if I give you those comps, value Entei at 1100, Raikou at 1250, and Suicune at 1350.
Yeah.
Blastoise at 420, Zard at 700 for you, and 2400 on Pikachu. What's the total market value? 7,200 on these 6 slabs. Some of your comps are high.
Sure.
6 grand. Yes.
No.
Yes.
Dude, you are so lucky I'm not Max right now.
Why?
Max would scream. Max would hang up the FaceTime.
What do you want? No, I'm not giving you 6,500.
Okay.
6,200.
Do I have to call the banker?
Is that max?
I might have to call the banker.
Is that max? 6,200?
1 second.
Sure. All right. That deal's on the side. On pause now.
Yeah, you work on the phone.
How firm are you on your ponchos? Like 100%?
Like impossible to percent.
Really? Have you been selling them at 100%? Would you break anything up or they have to go all as pairs?
If it's all as sets, yes. It's the only one.
That Ray is the only separate?
That's all his. That's all mine.
So this row is his? Which row is yours? This row?
Everything in here is mine except for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
So
You have 2 green rays? Would you want to sell one of the green rays that's not 24?
that's the lowest. Yeah, I think I saw it. I sell it to Japan and China.
Would you sell the poncho skull?
That little one?
Yeah.
I would do it for that.
If I get the pair.
No, I wouldn't sell that. No.
No, if I get the both. You don't want to sell both? You only want to sell that?
I'll use the full arts.
Okay.
I won't break up the set. Yeah. Now I've finished the set. What I'll do is I'll send the set to Japan and sell it there.
Wait, I'm confused. So you want to sell this as separately?
Yeah, it's fine. I think the last sale was like $496 or something.
It was like 420. What's up, brother?
Hi. I need a 1.
Okay, this is skull. Like 21, 22, 23 on skull.
Yeah, no, but I could sell it. I made 25 in China. That's like the 5th one I have.
420 market.
The 420 market.
And this one's yours or this is yours?
That's it. So let's put 420 value on that.
Oh wait, does that mean I'm now gonna end up?
And then your bottom on Ray is 24?
Yeah.
2400 for Poncho Rayquaza?
The bottom, like cash, bottom cash. I'm asking 27. The bottom cash is 24.
Is there anything else that's yours or is there all yours?
This stuff, like some of this stuff is mine.
Okay, cool.
A lot of the bigger stuff, like some of the other stuff is.
I would do that to you,
What, this?
but that's box of contents.
I don't have space for that.
I'll do a 500 coin flip. I want 25, so I'll do 2 or 25. Now you're paying for either the PSA 10 or you're buying it as a box with the PSA 10. And I don't do coin flips.
Is that a sealed box?
It's not sealed. No,
Oh.
the box of contents, that came out of it.
It's glorified trash.
Comps are 17 to 18 on that.
$2,000 card. Hold that. Your box is 2,500. Grading fee.
I know, I'm just playing with comps. I'm interested in these two though. What did Banker say on these?
I think Banker's at a party with his family, but I'm gonna assume I could probably do
Banker's
better
at a
on
party
just
with
those
his.
three.
What?
So I could probably do better on these three. These I'll probably just auction. So I could probably do a better deal on these.
What about these?
I don't think so. I mean, it'd have to be at 65.
63. Really? Would you do 2,900 on these three?
That's even worse percentage.
Yeah, because you don't want to give me the gold stars. I want these. Let's finalize the deal with the gold stars.
65. It's really the best I could do.
Oh, you got it.
That's higher than 90%. By $2.
Yeah, I'd rather you get 2 of those. What? I'm gonna send
All right, we're friends, right?
Yeah, where you going with this?
64.
I can't.
That's all.
I have to be 65.
What? Come on, you high comp me on like this by like $40. This is a high comp.
There's 3 sales.
Yeah, but there's also 2 sales as well.
But the last 3 in a row are all 24.
Yeah, don't worry.
Come on, 64.
You don't want these?
No. 64. Come on, dude. My number, your number. 64, 65.
I'll do 64, 66.
No.
So now you gotta. No.
Fuck.
That's all it is.
Yeah, I know.
I usually go
I
2
play it all the time.
Okay, you want to play that? 64, 65?
No, I gotta be
Me and
65.
Jordan went down from the 26 tiles to the 1-1.
Holy shit.
2 out of 3, and I won both of them.
Wow.
If you take these, I'll give you a better percent on these.
Oh my
than
god.
90%.
What are they worth?
500 and 875. This one I might be wrong on. This one I know for sure is 500 all day.
If I take this, will you give me the stack at 64?
What price are you taking it at?
740 on Shining Raichu, and I'll pay you 6,400 on this
I
stack.
wanted to take a look at them.
Bro. Why do I have to pay you on this to get this for 6,400?
Take both of them.
I don't want this card. I can't use that for a stream. No one's gonna buy.
You can't? It's 500 bucks. Look it up. It's like a $500. It's like a $500 bill.
Yeah, but it's the same price as a Gengar VMAX Japanese. It's more than that. Ro, where are you at?
Right there.
Is it cooking season? I'm coming right now. I don't really want this card at 5. So you want 7,200? 7,200. Right? On to the next deal. Thank you, sir.
So 24 is the bottom cash
Okay,
on this.
that's fine.
This, 420 value. 85% of that. That's what, 375?
What do you want for your other ponchos, like this pair?
I know what I'm going to do with it.
What's your bottom cash price? None?
What I do is I take these, push it into boxes, and then go reverse them around. Or send them to China and cash out more. So like they pay $9,500 for it, and I'll rev 92.
Or you take PayPal? 24 and I'll do
285 or 420.
2780. Sweet. You want to save these for China, you said? The sequence?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
They're not sequential.
Oh, just pairs. Baby Poncho Skull and Poncho Ray for 2780. The cards that I actually
I
want,
did yesterday.
that I'm interested in, Koro Mew. What's that worth? Expedition Mew.
600.
Koro Mew, Expedition Mew. What do you value this at?
575.
Okay. Koro Mew, Expedition Mew. What's the Dragonite worth?
7.
Maybe that.
7, 450, 600, 13, and 600.
Flareon?
It's like 550.
Charizard?
Yo, Charizard GX, Lawrence. Zord GX, hidden fate. 650.
Yeah, we could do something.
We could dance a little, let's see. I again, like I said, those were my 6, and then
What's up?
those were my 6, like I just pointed it out. Rest
Okay.
of the stuff, I'm literally just cash heavy at this show.
Can I see the cards? What do I have to pay you on that to let it go? Market's 480. How much do I gotta pay you for you to sell that to me?
I'm gonna lose. I'd rather wait.
If I just give it to you, what if I give you 5? Literally break even. I pay 110% market. That's cool on 5 on that? Okay. I'll pay you 5 on that. Just because I really need it.
You want the OC one too?
No. This is yours?
That's it. His or his?
Okay. Yeah, market 580 on this. This is yours or? Last sold 590, 730, and 542. 580 markets. Are we doing separate deals or are you guys gonna combine? Separate? Okay. So 650, 580 market. What else is yours here? Nothing? Or
Everything else.
the Zard?
Zard's it.
Zard, okay. You said market 650 on that, right?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
it's a random sale at 9, but choose like 650 to 7.
Oh, you got a grand?
What do you say market on this?
7.
Can you do a 650 market?
I just got it into
675?
675.
Okay. Let me see Ninja. So, Legendary Collection Reverse Hollow Dragonite, Shining Tyranitar so far. For Ninja SAR, Jesus. 580? 580? 1250?
It's new, sir.
Okay, fuck it. What's the market so far? 3205. Is that an iPhone? It is?
Huh?
Is that an iPhone?
Yeah.
Is that the calculator app or what is
iOS
that?
18.
Ah.
Yeah, it updated.
I was gonna say that does not look like my calculator. It looks better.
I seen it. I was so happy. I was like, wait, and it has.
I can see my edition.
No, look. It's got history too.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so if you open it, it's got fucking history. So you can look what you actually did before.
Wow. It's like post not clarity. All right, market was 3205.
Stable right now.
Dark Dragonite. Let me see that. And then can I take out
Yes.
this and this Flareon? These are both his or this is yours? Both? Oh, can you grab his Koro Mewtwo? Put his Koro 9. Flareon at value at like, or Dark Dragonite. What'd you value this at? Alt has it at 350-ish. 370?
I didn't stick it at 450. I see the 370, but 440 and everything before that 450 out the ass.
400 market?
425.
Okay, 425. Okay, so these are your cards, right? This is all I wanted. So it was 13. What was that? 650, 580, 675, and 425. The number is 3630. 425, right? 675. 580. 650 and 13. 3630 is correct. What do you want to be at? 3K? Market's high on this.
It's a little up on that.
Yeah, it's usually like 11 and 12.
Yeah.
This is really high too. Market. This is kind of high. You PayPal, right? 3K? No? Want to flip? 3 or 31?
32. That's no.
Flip 3132.
That's good chases.
Flip 3132. You beat me in the flip, you get me.
Lawrence, 31, 32 play. That's just me.
That's just his.
Flip, we called.
Down?
Huh?
3100, 3200. We're flipping 3132. Greninja, base set Charizard, Shining Tyranitar, LC Reverse Dark Dragonite, and First Edition Dark Dragonite.
Toss it up high.
I want you to look.
I call or you call?
You call.
Okay. Which one's Tails? The Eagle? All right.
Oh, that's gonna be.
All right, cool. Tails. Tails, Tails, Tails. Yes! Goated!
That went fucking strong.
Bang!
Three to the tail.
All right, 31 on you.
Yes, sir.
And then, what do you want on these, brother?
5,
I paid you fave on this. I agreed. Let me just add these real quick.
650, 450, and then 580.
All right, that's cool. 450, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, let me add these up real quick.
580, and 650.
I'll pay you 1900 for all four. Koro Mew, Hidden Face Charizard, Flareon from Skyridge, and the Expedition Mew. I'll flip you 18 or 2 if you want, or just 19 straight.
18 or 21.
No. If you want a small flip, 1850 and 1950. 1850, 1950? All right, run it. You throw, I call? Let's go. Tails. What is it? Is it? Okay, 1950. How much is this PSA 8 set? These are cheap, right?
I think it's about 4, roughly.
Mega Gary's?
Just add this up real quick.
Yeah, go.
280.
You're firm at 280? You want 280 on those?
Because this is my brother's not here. That's the only reason. Always, I would have moved.
Can you sell me them at 85%? Mega Gary, Mega Charizard.
He wouldn't go for it.
Huh?
He wouldn't go for it. That's the only thing.
It's not all Tars, it's just Megas. The 2 Mega Gyarados, the Mega Alakazam and Mega Charizard. Let's do, with the Machamp and the Flareon, 1250. That's fair. So Mega Gary's, 2 of them. Mega Alakazam, Mega Charizard, Machamp, and Flareon VMAX. Or 1213 flip. 1213 flip. Can I see them? Another flip. Machamp, Mega Charizard, Mega Alakazam, Flareon, Mega Gyarados, 2 of them. What are these, like Lego bricks?
My brother 3D prints them.
Interesting. I'll call again. It's right here. Tails. Yes! Goated boost! All right. I'm 2 for 3 in this area, I guess.